Welcome to Nexus step-by-step training, where we'll guide you through how to create an invoice for a job, including adding descriptions to an invoice, generating and emailing an invoice. Starting on the overview page, click on Customers from the main menu on the left-hand side. You can search for your customer, and once found, click Open. Click on the Jobs tab if you're not already in it. Click on Invoice next to the job you'd like to invoice. All the fields here will be automatically filled according to the job details. And depending on the settings in admin for your invoicing, the description may be shown on the invoice. So change this now if needed. Once you are happy with all the details, click on Save and Generate with the PDF icon above. When you click Save and Email with the envelope above, this will automatically save the invoice as a PDF, but will not open up a preview. Let's say we pressed Save and Generate without pressing Save and Email. But now we need to make a change to that invoice. To do this, go to the Invoices tab, click on Open, and now you can type any job description notes in the text field at the bottom of the screen. Now, if you're happy, you can click Save and Generate or Save an Email. As this option doesn't give you the automatic preview, you can simply click on the PDF attachment to open and view the invoice before sending. And if you're happy with the invoice, click on Send. If you're unsure if an invoice has been emailed to the customer, an easy way to check is under the Invoices tab. Under this tab are all invoices for that customer, and you can see if it has been sent and or paid. And that is it for this video. Happy learning!